Hi everyone, how is it going? It's your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali. First time to the channel, thank you so very much for being here. Make sure you hit on that subscribe button just below there, and while you're at it, make sure you turn on your notification bell. So once I do have new content uploaded on the channel, you are one of the first persons to get that update. For all of my returning subscribers, thank you so very much for always being here and always being a part of the loyal fam. Here on this channel, you're able to get YouTube tips, beauty tips, and a little bit of my crazy, and that you do not want to miss any at all. You know what time it is? It's Big Up Segments! Alright, I want to go ahead and I want to big up Afina. This is one of my loyal subscribers who is always watching my videos. And guess what, guys? This makeup, this was requested by her. She is 8 years old over there in Canada. Hi, Afina. I hope you're going to be loving this makeup as I'm going to be taking you and everybody else who is watching this video through it step by step. If you want to be a part of the big up segment, all you have to do is to just go ahead and follow the instructions in the description area below. Now that we have got the meet and greet out of the way, let us get right into Afina's video. Afina had requested for me to do a blue eye makeup and then I should use the rose red lipstick. So this is one of the lipstick which I have, which is close to rose red. I hope this do it. So Afina, these are what I used. So the colors, I use this dark blue, I use this blue here, and then I use a little bit of this one up top here. Okay, ma'am? Guys, she's 8 years old and she told me what to do. She sent specific instructions, so I'm making sure I stick to that. And then she requested rose red lipstick. I do have two reds. I have a cherry red and then I have this one. This one is by CoverGirl and she said rose red. And this was the closest as I could get to rose red. So Afina, I hope this works. Alright, let me walk you through this video right about now. And this was the blue makeup look. So it was blue for the eyes and then red, or I should say rose red, because that was the instructions I was given by Afina. So there you have it. I hope you love this, Afina, because this was done specially for you. Alright guys, that's it for me for today. I'm your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali, saying take care, walk good, and remember to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button below, hit the like, and also make sure you comment and also share it with a friend. Alright, take care, bye, walk good.